I'm really nervous right now. You nervous about this question? I can see it in your eyes. I'm not a fan of you right now. Let's do it.
Dr. Parsons, thank you for your time.
Yeah, happy to be here.
So we're just going to questions, and I'm going to start this off with level 1, which is intense nacho. Yeah.
I have to eat these things?
Yeah.
I've never had a Taki. I hate spicy food. Literally.
It gets a little spicy as we go on.
You eat these things?
I don't. I hate them. They're spicy, but yeah. All right. So what do you do as a principal? Like, what, instead of sitting in your desk all day, what do you actually do?
Yeah, well, I try not to be at my desk all day. I love to be out and about. I love to see the students. But I think there's a wide variety of things I do. Basically, anytime there's a situation or emergency, I'm involved in it. And then my job is to create the vision and the mission for the school. And then how do we develop that to make the best school possible for every single person that walks in?
You've made a lot of changes. Do you think they're for the better?
Here's the changes. And I've heard a lot since I've been here. Well, we've never done it that way, right? And I get some of that. And I've been really careful not to change necessarily the culture. But I think there's some systematic things that can just be beneficial for people. And we're just trying to enhance the whole school environment. I think we've done that.
All right. And then we're on to level 2. This is Fuego.
Yeah!
Yeah, I can't do spicy stuff. It's too much.
Well, let's see what you do here, Inaki.
All right. First question. There's no way you're this tall. You got to be wearing lifts.
Possibly. Possibly. Boy, why do you think I wear lifts? I'm a grown man. I ain't wearing no lifts. No, here's the crazy thing. So I went into my 9th grade year. I was 6 foot tall. Okay, starting my freshman year. At the end of my freshman year, I'm almost the exact same height I am today. I grew 7.5 inches in 8 months. That's a fact. And I really haven't grown since then. So no, I'm as tall as I am, Inaki. How tall are you?
5'6".
Yeah, that ain't gonna cut it.
Yeah, struggle. All right. What's your favorite part about being principal?
Not this. not Inaki, not that.
Yeah.
Gosh.
Is the power though?
I care less about power. And I've been that way my entire life. I just love it because it fits my personality. I get to have interactions like this and just be a small part of your success. I think it's pretty dope. I mean, that's hot. I took one bite, man. I'm hurting right here.
How do you feel about us students here in the radio TV class?
I think what you guys do here is special. I think that's what makes East unique. I love you guys. I think you guys are great. I've never met you before, so this is cool.
All right, we're going to level.
We can't go to, man. All right.
All right.
Well, come on. I mean, you got to grab one too. Inaki's with, Takis with Inaki. Oh, gosh.
All right.
I can't believe people just eat these. I'm really nervous right now.
Yeah. All right.
I'm not a fan of you right now. That's something different.
No.
That's something different, bud. Oh!
Oh my goodness. All right. Do you think my ancestors are disappointed by how poorly I handle spicy food?
Who are your ancestors? I mean, you know them better than me. I don't know who your ancestors are.
So you said you played basketball during high school. Did you get an offer to go play college, or?
Oh, wow, we're going to get into that. Yeah. So I was not a good student.
Okay.
Like, not at all. And that's part of what drove me into this. So I need more than both my hands to count on my suspensions from school. Graduated with just under a 2.0 GPA. I was on a wrong track because my grades weren't that good and I had to go to junior college, and best thing that ever happened to me. Humbled me, but woke me up, had a great coach that just kicked my butt every single day, both classroom and in the gym. And then I actually was never going to come out here to Indiana. The college saw me play, offered me a scholarship on the spot, and I just said, without really even seeing the university, I just said, yeah, I'll go. And so I did that, and it worked out really, really well for me, just for my life, and I've loved Indiana since.
How do you feel about North always beating East in football?
Man, yeah. North is good. Yeah, and you're right. The last, 3 years, they've been doing really well. No knock on that at all. And give credit where credit's due. You use the word always,
Yeah.
right? I mean, have you gone back through the last 25 years? Have you looked at the records? Have you looked at our state championships? Have you looked at all that stuff? Have you looked at that you all have like 1,000 more kids than us and we still running through y'all through those last 25 years? Did you do your research?
No.
No, okay then, all right. You just living in the present, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that Takis talking to you.
Yeah. And then with the current state of the world, is being principal harder than it was 5 years ago?
What's the current state? What's your state of the world?
President changes, and then you obviously have COVID 5 years ago. So I mean,
Yeah,
did that
right on.
change from anything?
I don't know. My mission and my vision that hasn't really altered. I'm here to serve others, to serve kids. It doesn't matter whether COVID was going on. Doesn't matter who's in the office. To me, it's irrelevant. This keeps going. This is forever, man. Like this is a calling. This is something that I love to do. How the processes might change, technology, all that stuff. But what's in here? My heart? Nah, nothing's changed. What color is the next one?
And we're back at red, I think.
We're back to red?
All right.
That one's too.
All right.
That's potent, Inaki.
So we know you exercise. What's your favorite exercise to do?
Yeah, I lift weights almost probably 5 days a week. I like to hit the gym a little after 5. Let me think this through. Wow. I don't like cardio though.
That makes sense.
I don't like, look, I always say I'm not going to do an exercise that requires me to perspire. I just like to get my body moving first thing in the morning, and that kind of kicks late. It hits you a little later, yeah. So I like to do that, and I play a lot of golf. And usually I walk when I golf. So play a lot of golf. But, dude, you drank all your milk.
I'm gonna need a refill.
What else we got? You nervous about this question? I can see it in your eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you curious how I'm going to respond.
Do you love your wife? How about your kids? What do you love more, your family or your school?
Man,
Can the school be in your family?
yeah, great question. Awesome. I'll tell
Can I
you.
be your son?
Well, I'm a lot of people's daddy. I don't know what to tell you, buddy. But probably not. So I always say school is my second home. It's never my first home. You struggling, man.
Yeah.
I respect you. There's
all?
not a level
No.
5, is there?
That's all. That's all we have for today.
Am I your first guest?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, what are you going to do for the next guest to make it better? What's going through your mind right now?
Lower the intensity of these Takis.
Man,
All right. Well, thank you very much.
appreciate you, man. Yeah,
You too.
good meeting you too.